In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello to manage client work. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're in, click Create, then choose Create New Board. For the board name, enter Client Project Tracker, and then click Create. This gives you one central place to organize client projects, requests, and deadlines so nothing gets lost. If Trello opens your board with any pre-added lists, go ahead and remove them first. That way, you can build a clean workflow that matches exactly how you want to manage client work. Now begin creating your lists. Click Add Another List, type New Requests, and press Enter. This list is where all incoming client tasks or project ideas will start. Click Add Another List again, type Planning, and press Enter. Use this stage for tasks that have been reviewed but still need details, scheduling, or setup. Next, add a list called In Progress. This is where active client work lives once you or your team has started. After that, create a list named Review. This is useful for anything that needs approval, feedback, revisions, or a final check before delivery. Finally, add one more list called Completed. This is where finished client work goes, so you can keep a record of what has already been done. With your workflow in place, go to the New Requests list and click Add a Card. Enter the client task or project name, then click Add Card. Each card acts like a single job, request, or deliverable, so keep the title clear and specific. Next, click the card to open it and add the details that make it useful. Assign team members using the Members option so everyone knows who is responsible. Add labels to quickly identify things like the client, the priority level, or the type of project. This makes your board much easier to scan at a glance. Add checklists for subtasks or milestones if the project has multiple parts. This is especially helpful for keeping work organized without needing separate cards for every small action. Then add due dates so deadlines are visible and easy to track. As work moves forward, drag cards across the lists. Move them from New Requests into Planning, then into In Progress, over to Review, and finally into Completed. This visual movement is one of Trello's biggest strengths because it lets you see project status instantly without digging through messages or notes. Review the board regularly to track client project status and make sure nothing is sitting too long in one stage. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once you keep this board updated consistently, Trello becomes a simple and reliable system for managing client work from first request to final delivery. Congratulations, you built a clean client workflow in Trello.